How to compost wood chips. Wood chips can improve the structure of a compost pile and provide bulk matter to fill out small piles. Using wood chips in the right ratio with other materials is critical to keeping a compost pile working efficiently. A pile made using only wood chips may take months or years to fully break down. Turning a compost pile made with wood chips as it decomposes and maintaining the proper level of moisture help speed up the decomposition process. Composting with wood. The ratio of carbon and nitrogen contained in wood chips and other common materials for composting is a major factor determining how quickly they decompose. Green organic materials, like freshly cut grass, tend to have a higher concentration of nitrogen than dry, woody materials like wood chips or sawdust. The best overall ratio of carbon to nitrogen for promoting rapid composting is between 25:1 and 35:1. Wood chips commonly have a carbon to nitrogen ratio of 200:1 or greater. Adding nitrogen-rich materials, like manure, grass clippings or vegetable waste, to a compost pile helps balance out carbon-heavy wood chips. Working the pile. The microorganisms that break down wood chips into valuable compost need fresh air to break down compost efficiently. Mixing the pile with a pitchfork or shovel ensures all parts of the pile are composted and helps aerate it. Piles that are mainly comprised of wood chips are naturally well aerated because wood chips require turning less frequently than other forms of compost. When the wood chips in the center of the pile have begun to take on a loose, crumbly texture, resembling dirt, it is time to mix the outside of the pile into